So I have a Lagard keypad that I replaced not too long ago, and it wasn't working. Batteries were totally fine. Just when I pushed the button, nothing. Would not work. I was getting pissed. I didn't want to wait 3 days to get a new keypad to open the safe, but I'm going to show you a trick on what I found that wasn't working. If you look back here, your battery, one second, your battery runs to this connector right here. What I found out was the ground cable on the battery, sorry, I don't know why it won't focus, but the ground that went in here wasn't touching very good. So apparently I ripped it off, and let me show you. I went like this, and now it works. So to save you guys a trip with having to go get a new battery or drilling the safe, just try and take this ground cable off of here, rip it off, make a little splice, and touch it to it manually. Safe will work.